Hey, good evening, Ken Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for November 6, 2024. We'll take a look at a few sniper trades of the day, the post election rush, if you will. This is NVIDIA on 3 minute. Here's your gap up 10-minute opening range. Let it shake out during the day. Get a COTA 2 when all is quiet, tight risk box. Second position, about 6R in NVIDIA, no overnight risk. This is Alcoa, a minor gap. There's your OR10. Quick sell off. There's a 1-2-3 entry. Once the smoke is cleared, tight risk. Ride and wave. Just let it go. PSR flip. That's 1, 2, 3, 4.5R. Mexico on a 10-minute chart. That's the huge gap down and sell off for recovery. 1, 2, 3 entry. Second position on a second 1, 2, 3. Gets back up to the Bollinger Band means and the anchored VWAPs. PSR flip exit. So the first position gets 1, 2, 3, 4.5R. Second position gets 2.5R. That's 7R. No overnight risk. This is Tesla on 3 minutes. Huge gap up. Settles down. I get a COTA 2 entry. Tight risk. Second position on the second COTA 2. Exit when it hits the Bollinger Band main. And that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5R. Pretty good day. Morning in America. The election of one guy as president is not that big a deal. He doesn't have that much power. He's not the king. If you're in favor of him, go out and do some good work and repair the country. If you're against him, suck it up and start organizing at your level and start doing constructive action and stop treating the other side of the aisle as if there's some kind of racist, women hating cavemen. They're human beings with families. Get together and work in your local area and make a difference, and the time will pass. I'm a combat veteran. I know what despair and hard times look like. This is not despair and hard times. Suck it up and let's take action together. All right, let's take a look at today's reports. You'll notice the world is continuing to revolve around its axis. The 150-day look back. Let's just go right to the dashboard one. Yeah, dramatically overbought. And we still probably got 2 more days of hysteria and madness and momentum. But the Dow is the place to be. Mainstream. Look at the metals, Alcoa, Cliff, all the manufacturers that now have reasons to believe that their economic enterprise is going to be supported. Take a look at the Dow, smashing all kinds of records. Let me back up one to DIA or to the Dow Tacticals. Caterpillar, JP Morgan, Nucor Steel. That's Main Street, industrial base, returning jobs to America. That's what the people ask for. That's what they're going to get. Tons of auto framers. AMD is the one I'd look at. They're already up 2.5, and they're still 5-1. Microsoft is still 2-1, despite being 2.1% for the day. That's huge. And then marijuana. I don't know if that run is over, but that's certainly a repricing that'll get our attention as value players. Ethereum, Tesla, PTIR is Palantir. That is the double leveraged. So when Palantir is up 8.5, that's up 17 1/3. Be careful. It's a single stock ETF note that has double leverage. Caution. Cliff, 20% gain in the metals. US Steel, 8%. Alcoa, 6%. Cliff Natural Resources, 20%. That's what you need to be focusing on. All right, let's get this published and posted and be ready for a new market. Take good care, and we will catch you in the chat room.